Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with the back with another video. Y'all, my little sister is so salty because she was she was in the middle of her conversation, right? She was in the middle of her conversation telling me how Frank Ocean and Chris Brown used to have beef back in the day, right? And y'all, I just started recording right on top of her conversation. She was about to say something else. Go ahead. I'm sorry, y'all. By the way, y'all, it is super late. It is 1:46 in the morning, y'all. I look tired because I am. Okay? Y'all, we playing Skip Bo. Okay? Then after that, y'all, we going to run around of what? No Mercy or Flip?
No Mercy.
No Mercy. Okay? Uno No Mercy, y'all. Go ahead. Finish saying what you were saying about,
So, the beef started with Tyler because Chris said Tyler used to make, like, demonic music, right? I want to see it.
No, you don't want to see my cards. My people want to see my cards. You card looker. Go.
So, oh, it's my turn?
See, y'all, I still got this. My mom did taste it, but she ain't drunk it all, so I'm going to finish it.
So, Frank Ocean is associated with Tyler, right? And so, okay, I'm not finished. And so,
how you gonna go from 7 to 6 and you gotta go 7 to 8? Be trying to cheat. 10, 11. Alright, 12. Eat them up. We like that.
So,
she ate them up all the way up to 12. If y'all haven't, let me explain to y'all how the game of Skip Bo go, okay? Basically, you deal out 30 cards, okay? And you have your 30 cards sits like this, all face down, but this one is faced up. Stop trying to look at my cards while I'm trying to explain to my people. Y'all, my little sister is a card looker, bona fide card looker.
No, I'm not.
Why you so close to him?
Because I was watching your videos.
And then you have discard piles. Let me show y'all how it look down here. And y'all, so as y'all can see, can y'all see? Alright, so y'all, these right here are my discard piles, okay? You can only pluck from the top. You're allowed to have 4 discard piles, but you can only pluck from the top, okay? These right here cards we already played, so let me get this out y'all way. So basically, what you do is you play from your hand, and you can build up. You got to build up from 1 all the way up to 12. Y'all, I'm probably explaining that all types of terrible because it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So, if y'all don't get it, YouTube it. It's up on there. But if y'all ever play Skip Bo, comment down below and let your girl know. Alright, it's my round. I mean, my go. Alright, I got another one. Okay.
3 1s.
I know. Nobody has it too. What is that? A 6? 7? That's a 7, right?
Yes.
Alright. 8. 9.
You can use your discard pile.
I know. 10. 11. Alright. I'll discard you. Then I gotta pick up 4. Alright, go ahead, sis. Excuse me, it's 2:something in the morning. I can't be burping like that. I cannot. Go, son, you up. Bro, wow, you messed up. You could have put out your 12 on top of that 11. Oh, you already done started another round. It's okay, since you couldn't do it. I'll do it. What is that, a 7?
You're not doing it.
8,
9,
9, 10, 11, 12. I might as well eat up where I started. 1, 4, 5. Mmm. Then I pick up 5 cards. Why are you looking? Oh, I must have piled up when you wanted to pile. Because your face is reading saute, sis. So you good? Are you okay?
yes.
Wow, y'all, I piled up when she wanted to pile. Her face was super salty. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. I told y'all I be burpy all the time, y'all. It don't just be because I be drinking. I'm just a burpy individual. Y'all, I'm gonna be back when we start playing Uno, okay? Because this one here is a long game. Hold on, though. Somebody comment down below what we saying. Hold on, though. Hold on, though. Hold on, though. Go ahead.
Talking. Tell me.
Hold on, though.
Is it something I know?
See?
Sim, vovó.
Hold on, though.
Toto.
Why are you saying yes, please? Is it something I know? Why you just didn't stop at C? Why you just stop at yes? Oh my gosh, she's tripping
Okay,
out.
I'm
Over.
finished. I'm finished.
Are you done? Did you discard and did you pick up? And what was I saying? Huh? What was I saying, bro?
Toto.
Yeah, but no, I was not saying
You
that.
said
You
it.
was saying that. What was I saying though?
That you could have stick that just C, not yes, please.
Huh?
You should.
No, when I said hold on. What was I saying?
Can you slow it down?
No, I cannot.
Potato,
No,
tomato.
no.
Is it food?
Do you give up?
No. Is it a
Hold on.
food? Is it a food?
No,
Is it a person?
no,
Is it a show?
no.
Is something you watch?
Just say what you think I'm saying
I don't
and let me know
know.
if you give up or not so I can reveal.
Potato.
No.
Say it.
Hold on.
Say it. I give up.
Toilet paper.
Why would I be talking about toilet paper for the bot? Why would I be talking about toilet paper for the bot? Respectfully, no.
What are you talking about?
Toilet.
I said, who you talking to? That's who I'm saying. Who you talking to? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Who you talking to?
Is it
So I was saying it fast. Who you talking to?
Why?
Yeah, I'm gone. I'm gone again. Uno no mercy time.
Oh no, mercy.
Who you dealt first? Bro.
Myself.
No, you don't never do yourself.
Oh, the command.
You are
Oh my
last.
I forgot.
You done?
Yes. So after we do my hand,
Mm-hmm.
do the camera.
You trying to see my cards?
No, I didn't even know you was gonna show it to them.
Stop looking at them.
Your car, looker.
I told y'all she's a card.
even- are you finished?
No.
She look at her. The
I don't
card.
trust you. I don't even want to show them now. Because I know you looker.
I'm
Did
going.
y'all see my cards? Alright, now turn around.
I didn't even know you was gonna show it to them.
You love looking at them cards all
Are you
the
finished?
time. Yeah. Turn. Yeah, that's what I need you to keep on saying. Say that. Turn around. No, you're not about to switch no cards with me. Do you have a 0, bro?
Yes, I do. Heroes.
Turn around right now. I don't have a 0, so we have to turn it twice. Yes, we must turn it again.
Who cars are those?
He's
No, I don't get
supposed no keep those. Yeah, is it my goal? Yeah,
Every land I turn around.
Every now and again I think I want your cards. You so
Because these are yours.
me,
Oh, wait,
yeah.
no, these aren't your cards.
But I think I might call
That's my card.
Now you.
I had your cards, didn't I? I had bro cards. Them cards was
Wait,
hot
no,
as I don't know what.
I had,
No, these are mine.
I'm full
I
size.
had, I think your cards.
You got my cards. Just go.
Your cards
I meant to take them from you,
Your cards. You
but I accidentally robbed the wrong person of their cards. No go.
Thank you. I changed the color to Azule.
I bet you would have. I bet you would have.
Is it?
No,
I bet you would have.
you would have.
Eating it
Is
down.
it my turn?
Yes, just when you thought it was going to be blue, it's not Asu. It is now Amamiya.
You say clock that tea?
Clock
Amamiya.
it.
Nah, you
You
don't
better.
have to. You don't have,
Yeller.
you don't have to clock the tea. You don't have to clock it.
That's on you, sis. Reverse
Oh.
it. Okay. My go now. Uno. Out. And that's how you eat the game tonight. I'm talking every day and forever. And every day I should win in the Uno game. You shall lose against me. Yeah, forever. Forever and ever will be winning. I try my hardest not to win. My sister is soft. I try my hardest not to win, but I shall. Whoa. Eating. Ah! I had to put on my Jack Black. And forever and ever and ever. Y'all, it's too late for me. I start getting silly at night. It's time for me to go to bed. If you don't stop getting sturdy
Okay, is it my turn?
with your buttocks facing us.
Is it my turn?
See. Oh, wait a minute. They probably still want to see the game. Y'all, I done put y'all back on me. Homeboy, y'all, homeboy.
Draw for me.
I'm not finished. I'm
Excuse
not
me, y'all.
finished. I'm not.
Well, you're annoying. I'm
Ooh.
gonna give you a draw 16 or draw 10. How many are there? 4,
Count it.
8.
18.
I don't think 4, 8,
Oh, and this one.
6. That's 16 right?
And that one and this one and this one.
18.
Oh yeah, 18. Right? I'm gonna get my lick back.
Hide your car. She looking at him.
By accident.
No,
No, she don't look at by accident. She look by
Yeah.
purpose.
lick back. So,
Do you want help?
no, I'm about to get some lick back.
No.
If you would like help, let me know.
Draw 6. I'm having enough. You want to do that to me, right?
How's your
Draw
car?
10.
16. 16.